Good morning everyone. Let me start the maths period for class 8th. I'm doing here exercise 2.3 today of chapter 2. I have given you the question from 1 to 6. All are simple question in which you have to find the value of x on each part. I'm only doing here the two parts, one part and 6 part, because all the other parts are same as the question number 1 and question number 6. Not the difficult question, very simple question you have already done in your class 7th, same as to find the value, that's it, and nothing the complication in the any questions. So simple method to do the question of these type. When you find the value of x, you have to separate the variable terms and unvariable terms to the other side and solve the value of x as usual you learned. Now I am going to do the first part. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So combine the value of x in each side, that is 3x, and when you translate 2x from the other side, it will convert into the negative form, and there only 18 is left. Now subtract both the term. When you subtract 3 minus 2, that is you find the single x, so the value of x is 18. The simple question, I told you the simple question that you have solved in your class 7th as usual, to find the value of x by separate the terms in the variable one side and the unvariable terms in the other side as usual to find the value of x. Same concept there are multiply. When you transfer the number, it got divide, plus opposite to minus, minus opposite to plus, and division opposite to multiplication when the any number or any term change its place as usual. Now the sixth question I'm doing here, sixth part, sorry. 8x plus 4 is equal to, now 3 is stand out of the bracket, so you first step you have to do, go 3 inside the bracket. So 3 into x is 3x, 3 into 1 is 3. Now the other side, there are two numbers that are both the unvariable term. There is not any variable with both the terms, so solve it. Plus minus minus, that you get 4. Which number is greater? That is 7. So put the sign of the greater number here. Now change the variable term to one side and unvariable term to the other side. So change the 3x with 8x and change the plus 4 with this 4. Okay, when 3 change its place, it will become negative, and when this 4 change its place, it become minus, negative means. Okay, now 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Now the x is 0 upon 5, it means the x is 0. So simple question, only you have to find the value of x in the both sides in each question that I given you today as your homework. Have any problem? Let me discuss on the Zoom app at morning 10 a.m. Please come on the Zoom app to solve your problem and to give the solution from me. Okay, thank you.